Hey guys, so we are at the Harrah Cherokee Valley River. So this is the one in Murphy, North Carolina, and this is the newest tower, built a couple years ago. King size room, great closet space. That is actually like a censored light, which is great. I didn't have to worry about flipping on a light. The decor was beautiful, lots of blues and grays and just like neutral colors, which I loved. I love the little lights on the nightstand. Nothing was like super bright. My boyfriend was watching a movie when I recorded. Chair was actually comfortable. I actually sat in the chair. Of course, being a newer room, we had all the needed ports. View is gorgeous. I kind of like Valley River because there's really nothing around, even though it is the smaller of the two Harrah Cherokee resorts. But plenty of ports to plug everything in. I like that we had a microwave. The TV was good. Of course, we could put stuff in the drawers. The fridge, as you see here, was hidden, which is always a nice aesthetic to it. Full-length mirror. Bathroom was nice, great water pressure. And yeah, I mean, the products were great. It was a really good stay at Valley River, and there was no distance difference as far as which tower you want to get. So if you're going to Valley River, two great options. Have a great time. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.